Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your operating system so you use the right tools. Open the File Manager or Settings Storage panel now. On Windows, go to Settings System Storage. On Mac OS, open About This Mac Storage. On Linux, open your File Manager or Disks. Once done, locate the main drive, C, on Windows, Macintosh HD on Mac, or root on Linux, and note the used versus free numbers shown. This gives you the initial snapshot of disk usage. Now you dig deeper to find what consumes space. Use the built-in breakdowns, apps, documents, other, and system to see category sizes. On Windows, enable Storage Sense or Open Disk Cleanup and run Analyze. On Mac OS, click Manage for recommendations. On Linux, run Baobab or NCDU for a folder-by-folder map. Make sure to show hidden folders and system files because large caches or old installers often hide there. This reveals big targets for cleanup and why space is low. Finish by freeing space strategically. Delete large unused files, empty the trash or recycle bin, and uninstall apps you no longer use. Move photos, videos, and archives to an external drive or cloud storage to reclaim lots of space quickly. Once done, reboot and verify totals. If numbers still look wrong or storage remains locked, run a disk check. CHKDSK on Windows, First Aid and Disk Utility on Mac, FSCK on Linux, to repair file system errors. This usually resolves incorrect free space reporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.